Hi everybody, my name is Dominic, and I will help teacher Domingo in his YouTube channel. Today we will review the material on First Aid Kit. I am in 3rd grade B, I study at Pablo Neruda Bicentennial High School, my major is nursing, and today we are going to show you the items we find in a first aid kit. Antibiotic ointment, cloth tape, Band-Aid, Q-tips, antiseptic wipe, aspirins, cold compress, face mask, gauze pad, non-latex gloves, roller bandage, blanket, triangular bandage, scissors, syringe, thermometer, tweezers. Well, my dear students, I hope you can practice the vocabulary. Have a nice day and see you around.